Hi there and welcome back. So I am beginning a new project. It's still, the kit is called Autumn in the Woods. This is a kit from Tania at collage time, what I never got around to using. And it's absolutely beautiful. So let's take a look at this. So we've got lots of frames and some little pieces. Got this lovely coin envelope. I absolutely love this owl with this at the back. This is in the winter botanical kit, but obviously it's all a different colour. This is beautiful. So that's that. Now we've got some William Morris here. Lovely strips and some stamps and some of them. Really love this page. Got a nice ruler. This is very similar to a piece in the Woodland Botanicals as well, and I really like that. The other one was green with the Christmas tree, but yeah, that's a really nice piece. And then this owl on some mushrooms, some lovely labels. I'm loving the colours of those. And then we've got some pockets and some like these. They're very nice. I love the size of them. And then this beautiful label here, the background in that's fabulous. Yeah, two lovely pockets. And then we've got a whole page of labels. Got William Morris there. Love those. And then with some more tags. The colours, obviously you've got to like brown. I love brown. This one is out of Lanine's Christmas. I don't know if it's called Antique Christmas. So I just printed this out because I do want to use this piece. These ones are from the autumn one again. So we've got some William Morris in the background. Not sure if this is William Morris or not. It's not a print that I'm familiar with. Love this. Some great staining and stuff going off in the background. Really love that. Then we've got some tall ones, which is the reason why I want this, because we're going to be doing an altered file folder. Another fab tall one. Really like this. Very nice. This one, I think this has got to be my favourite image. Is absolutely handsome, and this tree is wonderful. Very nice. Then this one, I think this is out of the Christmas botanicals or the winter botanicals. So I just they was what I'd got left over. This again is from this vintage kit. Look at this bird up here. So I definitely want to get that in. There is going to be touches of green in. It's not going to be all brown, but obviously the backing pages are. Into two of those. These are from one of Ninian's Christmas kits, and I think these are from the Christmas botanical kit. So as you can see, I'm going for pines, cones, browns and green. And I think I'm going to do a notebook with that. I've done that on card, and I've also done this on card because I thought this would make two lovely big journal cards. So that's what I'm going to be using. I might find that I maybe need to introduce some more green, but I'll see how that goes. So I'll be able to sit tonight and start getting those cut up. So I'm going to be doing an altered file folder, and I'm doing it in the the UK size ones. So these are bigger than the US ones. This is a US size one, but it's green, but yeah, you can see the difference. So I'd probably say there's 2 inches, 2.5 inch difference, which you know, it's not a lot, but you know, once you fold it over, I'm gonna have, I think, probably a 3/4 of an inch spine. So by the time you've got a spine in, normally with these, I don't feel like I can put a spine in, because once you've got it in half, it's already, you know, only like 5.5. So yeah, I'm going to use the craft one this time. I've ordered some envelopes which are the same height. They're like they are C5 ones, so they're like half the size of an A4 sheet. So they will be on each end and folding. And then I've got some of these envelopes. These are in my shop, these ones. And I've got these ones, which I don't know if I'll be using or not. We shall see, but I'm definitely going to be using those. I'm just waiting for those other envelopes to arrive, what I was saying. So yes, it's going to flip out, and then I don't know how I'm going to use these. I might not use them, we'll see. I might actually use them in a different way, and still use these are C6, use those on the C5 and maybe have those stuck to the back of them. Yeah, that'd be good. So yeah, I probably won't use those ones, but I'll keep them with it for now. So that's that. I've got some beautiful ribbon. This was from my mum's. So I've done this beautiful ruffle. So I'm thinking down here, or you know, somewhere, it's going in there somewhere. And then there was another long piece, so I thought this would be lovely as the tie. So I'm thinking that would probably go underneath whatever, and this down the side. I'm loving it already. Yeah, I've got a vision in my head, and it's really warm and yummy. It's got a yummy feeling. So I've got a few pieces that I've made before, what I never got to use. So I thought this would fit in nice somewhere. So I did some splattering and some stamping, some leaves and some text. I'm guessing I tea dyed it. It's got some shiny, that shiny spray stuff, and I must have blobbed some stuff on it. And some stenciling, and then I've got decoupaged this napkin on there. So that's that. And I did this when we did the book page project. So I covered that one over because I think it was more a springy type image. So I did that as a writing spot, and the same there. So I'd like to use that. And I've got some pieces left over from the other project. So I've got that, which will fit in nicely. These are from Nanine's Christmas kits, which I'd already got printed out. So I've kind of separated the browner things for this project, so I still have them. I might look on my computer, and I know there's some more of these type images, so I might print a few more of those out. That was something that was left over, which I would like to use. It's a totally different brown though, so I think I'm going to put that in the other project actually. And then there was a few pieces, I don't know why I've forced that into there. This was a flip that I made. I think I did this in Trash Tuesday or something. So I would like to get that in somewhere, but I don't know where. And then I've got this other flip piece. So I would like to get that in there too, because I really think that these go lovely with this project. I can't remember what I did this in, but I know I made loads of bits of ephemera with frames and things, and I stuck this deer on, so that'd be very nice. And then I've got some decoupage pockets. Love those. That napkin is really where the inspiration came from, and then I remembered Nanine had done that autumn kit, and I thought, yeah, that would be just right. So got some smaller pockets. Got a little index card that feels so nice, and a tag. So these was just left over from autumn, so I'm not going to try and shove that back in there. I'll leave that with those pieces. And then I've got a little cluster which I thought went really nice, and I think this is going to be the front cover. So this is one of the pages out of Nanine's, I'm sure it's called Vintage Christmas, and there was another half on it, so I've cut it down, because this would have been, you know, one side of a page, and then this was another page, and I've cut it out, and I've kept that bit on to do it as a flip out. So I'm going to put some acetate in there. I'm thinking, I don't know if to put some glitter in there. Yeah, I think that would be nice. Or if I don't do that, put some glitter on these trees, or glitter both of them. But I'm definitely going to put acetate, and I thought by the time this has got a spine, this will probably fit on here wonderful. Oh yeah, this is going to be lovely. Oh, I really hope it looks how I'm envisioning it. Yeah. So yes, this is the next project. I don't think I've got anything else to show you. I have got some brown card if I need any, but I think I'm going to have plenty of pockets and flip outs. Journal wise, what am I thinking? I'm thinking I may put elastics in. I will sew up the journal, but the journal will be able to be removed to write in, and removed if you wanted to replace the journal. It's not going to be a big journal. There may not even be pockets and stuff in. I'll have to see how much stuff I can get in the actual file folder. I prefer a plain journal myself. I just think it's easier to write in. But I absolutely love flippy elements, which I think is why I do love the file folders so much, because they're fun. They're fun to make, they're fun to discover and to look through. So I hope you join me. I know you've seen me do file folders before. You're probably thinking, oh my goodness me, I can't stand watching another. I don't think I'll be really making a lot of ephemera in it. I think it's going to be mainly, you know, using the kit, but I'm sure there'll be something along the way that I need to make. I'm going to try and condense it, you know, so it doesn't go on for a long time. But yeah, they do take quite a long time. So yeah, that's it really. that's it. So I'm going to get the kit cut out, and like I say, I'm waiting for the envelopes. I do think they'll probably be here tomorrow, and we'll get started on it. So thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow. I don't know if tomorrow's video will be the start of it, or if it will be in a few days. I do have those craft file folders in the shop, and I do have the manila American size file folders in the shop as well. So I shall see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining me. If you saw my video earlier, I was showing the completed journals that we've been working on for the past couple of weeks worth of videos, and they will be in the shop at the weekend, because when you see this, I'm away. I'm on Santa's train. So I shall see you when I get back. Bye for now.